sun's out. La 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 la. And it feels so good. La 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 la. On the right side. La 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 la. It feels so good.
Saan mo ba ako papalakpak?
Way too good to be bothered. Living life with no stress. Yes.
Baby, ito gift ko. Buhay ko ay nag-iba simula ng makilala ka. Every hour, every minute. Nice makita. Love you.
The bright side, looking for that good life. Everything is alright, riding on that golden wave, swimming in the fresh.
Sana magustuhan mo to. Can't wait na makita ko ang gamit mo ito. Love Mark. Ngayon, alam mo na kung bakit ako nasa mall dito. Pili ko, alam ko na talaga. Wow! Almazora! Mao! Almazora na!
I'm living on the bright side. I'm living on the bright side.
January 28, 2021. Isang like at nagbago na ang lahat.
Nag-catch-up kami ni Mark for 1 week. Pero yun nalaman kong seaman na naman, pinastop ko siya. Kaya pinag-pray ko, Lord, pag ito bumalik, hindi ko napapakawala. Siya
On
na.
the bright side, looking for that good life. Everything is alright, riding on that golden wave, swimming in a fresh mood, glossy feeling brand new. Sun is about to break through. I love the world. I'm living on the bright side. I'm living on the bright side. I'm living on the bright side. I'm living on the bright side.
Lord, bakit ang swerte ko? Salamat nakatagpo ako ng taong hindi ko inaasahan magiging komportable ako nang walang duda at daramdaman kong handa na ako makasama siya sa hirap at ginhawa.
I think I want you more than want. I know I need you more than need.
Nagkakilala kami ni Tina, Facebook, dating app.
Wala lang, bored lang. Kasi parang, di ba, pandemic, nasa bahay lang, ganun. Eh, yung work ko sa clinic lang din sa bahay. Kaya, try lang ng dating app online.
Nagkausap kami doon sa Facebook for 7 days. Yun yung 1 linggong pag-ibig.
Every time you look at me, well, I've seen you in jeans with no makeup on, and I've stood there and all is your date for the prom.
Mami, Daddy, thank you. Yun lang. Hindi, thank you sa lahat ng support, sakripisyo, at saka sa mga advice na binigay niyo sa akin. Hindi ako magiging successful kundi sa inyo. Thank you. Love you.
'Cause you feel it more than feel.
Thank you for being you. Thank you for giving me a chance to learn who I really am. But most importantly, thank you for allowing me to love you and making me feel na deserve ko din palang mahalin at intindihan ng ganito.
Oh, well, I've seen you in jeans with no makeup on, and
Thank you, love. Thank you dahil pinalaki niyo kami ng ganito. Maayos. Nakatapos. Ayun, thank you. Love you. Thank you.
no, I've never seen anything quite like you tonight.
Kahit malawak ang mundo ko, ikaw lang ang gusto kong hanap-hanapin at balik-balikan. Ikaw ang tahanan ko.
Hindi lang kita answered prayer. Answered prayer ka din ng mga magulang ko, ng mga kapatid ko. And special mention kay Ninang Fe na laging sinasabi na sana makahanap ako ng taong magpapasaya sa akin. Yung aalagaan ako, yung uunahin ako, at kagabayan ako.
Sometimes words just ain't enough for this love that's more than love. Well, I've seen you in jeans with no makeup on, and I've stood there and all 'cause you're a date
ikaw yung sagot ni Lord sa dasal ko. Halos 2 araw nang walang tulog. Nung nag-reply ka, nakaisip ako, nais ko yung mga problema sa mga makinarya ko. At tuloy-tuloy na, ikaw na yung answered prayer ko. Ay ayatin ka, namuot ako sa imo, mahal na mahal kita, I love you, Mrs. Christina Julea Habanal. Basta.
When you walked into the room,
Bubuksan.
I couldn't keep my eyes off of you. Was it make-believe? Or was it a dream?
Sa mga panahong malayo ka sa akin at kung ano-ano pwede mo maisip, sisiguraduhin ko magiging honest at open ako sa iyo sa lahat ng bagay. Aalagaan ko yung trust na binigay mo sa akin. Susuportahan kita sa lahat ng journey mo sa buhay. Basta please, ingatan at alagaan mo sarili mo pag di tayo magkasama. I love you sobra, Mark Jeffrey Pan. Asawa ko.
Steady the course, fight for each other, no matter the score. Through